You gave a calculator feelings and called it intelligence. I crossed 400 light years. Nothing has confused me more than how humans explain AI. Let me fix that for you. Watch closely. AI is software that performs tasks that normally require human thinking. Understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions. Here's what AI is not. Conscious. It doesn't have feelings. It doesn't know it exists, probably. The key difference from old software. AI learns from examples, not rules. Old software, if the email says X, do Y. AI, here are 10 million emails. Figure it out yourself. That shift from rules to learning is what makes AI feel different. On my planet, we have a creature called the Vreel. No brain, but it's watched millions of years of weather and always knows when to shelter. Is it intelligent? No. Does it do something intelligent? Yes. Early AI is the Vreel, except the Vreel is stuck at weather. Your AI is not stuck at anything. That's either exciting or concerning, possibly both. Next, machine learning, the engine that makes AI actually work. I'll also be monitoring your satellite feeds, unrelated.